How to create an album in Facebook. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. In today's video, we are going to discuss how we can create an album on Facebook app. So make sure to watch the video till the end. In order for you to create an album on Facebook, all you have to do is simply go ahead and first of all, launch the Facebook app and make sure that you're signed into the account. Come to the profile page by tapping the profile icon from the top left. Then just scroll down and then you'll find this option known as Photos. You want to simply go to Photos. When you go to Photos, if you look at the top, you can see we have three options: Photos of you, Uploads, and Albums, which is exactly what we're looking for. So just head over to the album section. By default, Facebook will already create a list of albums for you, such as your profile pictures, cover photos, and featured photos. But if you want to create a custom album, here you'll find the plus option that says Create Album. You want to make sure to just tap on the option. Now another thing you can customize over here is that whether or not you want this album to be public or private or only seen by a few specific friends. So you want to simply go to this public option over here and simply customize the privacy. Because I'm showing this only for the video, I'm going to select only me because I don't want other members to see this. So after this, you simply have to give your album a name. Once you've done that, your album has been created. Tap the create option from the top right hand side to confirm the changes. Now what we want to do is the next step requires us to add photos to this album. To do so, just select that album again over here and just tap on the add photos or videos option. Allow the access to your camera roll from your device, or you can choose to add the existing photos from your Facebook timeline already. Select the photos that you'd like to add, tap the next option, and then they'll be successfully added to your album. This way you can create an album on Facebook. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.